Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'm gonna be doing my Shein birthday haul with you guys. You guys know that I'm a June girl, and so these next set of videos will be very like birthday based. So if you guys want to see my Shein birthday haul, please go ahead and stay tuned. I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to like this video if you've enjoyed it. I want to also remind you guys to check out the previous video on my channel, which was how I got my new birthday hair color. So go ahead and check that out. All links and everything will be in the description. I also have another channel called JAMAICAN, which I'd love for you guys to check out. All the links will be in my description as I mentioned before. So if you're watching today's video, I haven't done this in a while, I want you guys to leave some piece of clothing in the comments to let me know that you are watching and that you are rocking with Just Devi Marie. So I do not have a super huge haul for you guys. I just picked up a few pieces for my birthday. Hopefully I'll be doing something fun. I guess maybe I'll do like a birthday vlog or something to show you guys a little bit of what I did on the actual day. But I did pick up a few pieces just in case I do anything and go anywhere. So this is not a big haul at all. I think I have about 5 pieces that I'll be showing you guys today. I have some dresses, tops, skirts. Yeah, that's what I have today. And of course, I'll be doing a try-on segment, so you guys will see that. I will also tell you guys the price and also the size of the item that I bought. I'm going to try to see if I can probably link the items in the description below, since it's only like 5 items. And you guys can go ahead and click the links and find the items that I will have showcased today. So the first item that I have is actually a turtleneck or mock neck. I'm not sure if it's turtleneck or mock neck bodycon snakeskin dress. This is what it looks like right here. Hoping you guys can have a good idea of it. The material is very soft. It's also a very hot material. So yeah, you'll definitely be sweating in this. I don't know if this was ideal for like a summer birthday person, but I saw it on the website and I thought, oh, this is cute. I like the snakeskin print, so I was like, I wanted to pick this up. And I also think that orange looks really nice on melanin, on black girls. So I was like, this looks like a nice dress. I got this in a size large. I got this in a size large and it's long sleeve. It also has some little thumb holes on the sleeves right here, where you can put your thumb through it. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to wear it as a regular long sleeve. So the price that I paid for this mock neck snakeskin dress in size large was $10. So I got this dress for $10. The quality is pretty good as well. In case I didn't mention, it's definitely not see-through. And I think for someone who is overweight and carries a lot of weight in their midsection, I think it's very forgiving. So if you're also someone who, you know, wants to conceal your midsection, the material is forgiving. So that was the first item. So the next item that I have is another dress. It is actually a floral ruched dress. It has some ruching on the sides, yeah, on the sides that kind of come into the back and on the behind section. So this is cute. It is a spaghetti strap. It's a spaghetti strap top kind of dress. It also has adjustable straps, which is excellent because I actually got this in a size extra large and it is actually a bit big for me, especially in the strap area. So I'm glad that it's adjustable so that I can just adjust the straps where needed. I think this is also very flattering. It is not see-through. It actually has a lining underneath it, so definitely not see-through. And I think it's very flattering because of the ruching. So again, if you're trying to hide like any insecurities, like for me, I would be trying to hide like my stomach area. It definitely conceals that and it definitely gives you a nice shape. It's also not super short, I would say. It's still a good length. It doesn't catch me like right underneath my bottom jaw. It doesn't catch me there. And I am 5'7", for those of you who are wondering. So I think this is a cute dress. Honestly, looking at the picture online, I thought the flowers were going to be a little bit more bright. Like I thought they were going to be brighter, but they're more of like a pastel kind of color. And if I can, I'll probably insert the images of the pictures, how they looked on the model on the website, so that you can see how it looks on me, how it looks on the model, and how it looks when I'm showing it to you guys right here. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with this dress. As I said, it's an extra large. It is kind of big on me, but it still fits me very well, I would say. So the cost for this all over floral print ruched dress in extra large was actually $8. So good for the price. As I said, the material is definitely not bad. It is also kind of warm, to be honest, just because there's a lining underneath it. So it is kind of hot, but I mean, it's spaghetti strap, so you know, it's not so bad like the other one that was long sleeve. So I think this is pretty cute. The next item that I got is actually this tube ruched dress. Now I know, looking at it right here, it probably looks like, how is this even gonna fit you? I did get this in a large. I did read the reviews, and what I like about Shein is that you can actually see images of like real people trying on the clothes, so you can get an idea as to how it may fit you, or if you should size up, size down, or if the items run true to size. So I decided to still get my regular size large. That's what I usually get from Shein. This is very, let me tell you, it is, what's the word? I think it's also very flattering because of the ruching, but not as flattering as the floral dress that I showed you before. This definitely fits me really snug, but I think that's the aim of this kind of dress, to fit you very snug. It is kind of short. I would say it's shorter than the dress before. The material is very thick material. It's also very kind of hot to be honest. It's kind of like a hot material as well. And you guys know I live in Jamaica and the time is like really hot right now. But I mean, at least it's not a thin material. Yeah, so I think this is a cute dress. I like the detail on the back as well. You know that viral trend where they have the ruching by your bottom. Yeah, I like that as well, because that's supposed to kind of give you the image that you have a big butt. I do not naturally have a big bottom, so you know, I could take the extra little help. But yeah, this is a cute dress. Definitely cute. Definitely something that I've never had before. I don't think I own anything chocolate brown, but I think like the chocolate brown colors, or brown in general, they're kind of trending right now. So I decided to get this. This is not something that I usually wear, as I was saying, but yeah, I decided to get it. So for this ruched bodycon tube dress in the chocolate color, in size large, I did pay $15 for this. This was the most expensive piece. I think it is probably the best in terms of material, in terms of thickness, so I understand why, you know, it was $15. But overall, it's not bad. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. When I'm finished, I want you guys to leave in the comments which outfit was your favorite, which one you think I should wear for my birthday, if I go to dinner, all of that. I'm gonna leave them in the comments. Finally, I got a skirt and a top to wear together. The skirt is a ruched skirt, but it has a split. This I got in a size large, and I think maybe I could have gone up to an extra large. It does stretch, it does fit me, yes. The material again is not see-through at all. It's kind of thick and it's kind of hot. All these materials that I bought were kind of hot, but it's still cute. As I said, it has ruching on the side that has a split. It has a split. The split is not super high, which I do like. This is almost to me like a midi skirt. So I got this skirt here, and I really like the color of it. I think olive is another color that's really trending, and I think olive also looks really nice on dark skin, on melanin. The part about this skirt that I don't like though, it just seems a little bit unfinished. It came like this with the elastic showing. I wish they would have kind of hemmed it properly so that you wouldn't see the elastic. I think in terms of quality, this is probably the worst one, just because I feel like it looks very unfinished. Like, why would you give this to me with the elastic peeking out like this? This also, as I said, is kind of a little bit tight. I wish I did size up, but I think that I can actually pull it off. Yeah, I think it fits me nicely. You know, it's really cute. So along with this skirt, I did purchase a top to wear with the skirt, and I purchased a crop top with it. And this is just a simple crop top. It is also green, but it's not like a deep olive green. I don't know what color green you would call this. It does have like a cut at the bottom, but it does not show my boobies or anything. And it also is long enough to wear with the skirt, because I'm not about showing like so much belly because you guys know already some belly no flat. So I did purchase this to wear along with the top. It does have long line coverage, I would say, and you can adjust this little part here, the little split section here. You can adjust the little cutout part, whether you want to show more of your belly, less of your belly, whatever. But yeah, this was just something as I feel like it's different. I don't own any like skirts and tops, and I know that skirts are trending now, so I was like, I'll definitely try and see how, you know, the outfit looks together. And I think it's not bad. The blouse is a good quality as well. It kind of feels like cotton material. I did get the top in a size large, if I didn't mention that before. And yeah, it's just a simple regular blouse. Yeah, and I think the colors go well together. I don't know if that's, what's that, I think there's this trend now about, is it monochrome outfits? I think it kind of maybe falls in that. I don't know, guys. I'm not a fashionista. I just see things, feel like them can go, and just wear it. That's what I do. So the solid cut out front tank top, that one I got in a large in the green, and that was $7. And the solid ruched split thigh skirt I got in large as well, and I got that for $9. Usually when you shop on Shein, you get points if you have purchased from there before. You get points for your order, and you also get points if you leave reviews or anything like that. So I was sure to leave a review for everything I would have bought the last time. And the last time I would have bought, I did a video on that. That was like almost a year ago that I did a Shein haul. So if you guys want to see that, I leave that link in the description for that video as well. And then I think I used a YouTuber's code to get money off as well. So all of this actually cost me $39 for 3 dresses, a skirt and a top. I think you can't beat that. You can't beat that. If you've never shopped on Shein before, you know it's a site where hit can be a hit or it can be a miss. I feel like in recent years they have definitely stepped up their game in terms of quality, but also the price is still at like a lower end price point. And so yeah, I mean, they have very trendy items. Anything that is in style or on trend right now, you can find on Shein, and you can find it for way less than you would pay anywhere else. So I mean, I like it. It's some fast fashion. I'm not somebody who spends a lot. I know a lot of you guys love to see clothing hauls and stuff like that, but honestly I don't really go anywhere. You know what I mean? I don't go out a lot, and so I don't really shop a lot. I don't really order clothes a lot. But since my birthday was coming up, I decided to order a few things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please remember to leave in the comments which outfit was your favorite and which outfit you think I should wear if I'm going to dinner in the evening or something, because you know Jamaica under curfew, right? Everywhere I have to lock up by 9 o'clock, and my birthday is on a weekday, so you guys know how that go. But still, leave your suggestions as to which dress is your favorite or which outfit is your favorite and what you think I should wear for my birthday, and probably how maybe you think I should style it as well. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. If you enjoyed this haul, please remember to give me a like, as the likes really do help. Remember to check out the previous video on how I got my burgundy hair color. It will be linked in the description. Also, I have a lot of playlists that I love for you guys to go ahead and check out. Also, please go and remember to check out my other channel called Yardments. And if you've been rocking with me for the entire video, I want you guys to leave some piece of clothing, some article of clothing, to let me know that you have been here. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.